Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see fifth experiment in networking lab, that is dynamic routing. My aim is to enable dynamic routing for the given topology using RIP version 1 and version 2. Now there are two versions in dynamic routing called RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. Now let's see what is the main differences between RIP versions, that is version 1 and version 2. RIP is routing information protocol, and in this we have two versions, RIP version 1 and version 2. And the basic differences between version 1 and version 2 is version 1 doesn't support VLSM and the version 2 supports VLSM. Actually VLSM is the variable length subnetting mask, and uh, there are also many other differences between two versions in RIP. The advantage of RIPR, it is easy to configure and less overheaded, and there is no complexity in design like OSPF. Now we will see. Uh, yeah, this is uh, the topology diagram which I have made using the routing, dynamic routing. Now I'll show you the how to make changes in the dynamic routing. The commands which we have to give for RIP version 1 is, first we have to get into the router IP, that is we should go to the router and then click EN, which will enable, and then go to the configuration mode, and after going to it then we should type router RIP, then we will enter to the RIP in global configuration mode. After that, step 2. Now we should enter classfully into network addresses, that is we should give the network addresses as shown in the table, that is here, here you can see the network address is given as 192.168.1.0 and also the other one 2.0. This is the topology diagram uh, which we have to make, and here we can see three routers R1, R2, R3, and also switches, and three out devices, that are PC1, PC2, PC3. This is the addressing table which we have to follow and make the IP address and subnetting mask with the default gateway. uh, and then RIP version 2. RIP version 2 is also the uh, same commands as per your topology, and for your reference, you can see it like this: network 192.168.1.0 and 2.0 is given, and same as in RIP version 1, you should enter into the router RIP mode and then give the network address. This is the topology diagram, same topology diagram, and then we have the interface and IP address table, and after doing this we will be getting the output. The actually you can see, uh, I'll show you the IP route, that is show you the IP route from this. Click on this router, and if we click show IP route, then we'll get all these things, that is uh, codes. These are the codes, and this is the gateway of last resort which are not set, and CE is connected here. Okay, so all these IP address are directly connected, and you can also see it is connected serially, serial 2x0 port, and then this is serial 3x0, and then the other one is fast ethernet 0x0. And now we will check pinging from this PC to the other PC. If this pings from here to here, then this is perfectly configured, and each and every router is perfectly configured according to the given table. The table is already shown here, this thing in the version 2 and this thing in the version 1. Now let's check it. The IP address of PC2 is 172.168.3.4. 172.168.3.2. So as you can see here, it is pinging from this PC to the other PC, and it is pinging using the IP address 172.168.3.4, that is the IP address of PC2 with 32 bytes of data. And then here you can see the ping statistics, that is packet sent equal to 4 and received equal to 4. So there is no loss in the packet transfer, and it also gives the minimum as 2 millisecond and maximum as 2 millisecond, and the average also will be the 2 millisecond. This is the average appropriate round trip time in milliseconds. And in this for PC0, I have given the IP configurations as 192.168.5.2, and the subnet mask is given, and also the default gateway as shown from the routing as shown from the table, it is given. And then router is configured according to the given commands, that is interface serial and interface fast ethernet, and then it is changed to up, and after that the pinging is done. So all the PCs are given the different IP address as shown in the table. Hence it is pinging from any particular system to the other system.